A few years ago there was a bit of a controversy when the Oxford English Dictionary added a definition to the word literally, which was not literally, as in I literally died of laughter, meaning I didn't literally die of laughter, and people thought that was a bit stupid. Well, there is a word that's a little bit similar in Te Reo Māori, Ehara. Now, if you look up the Māori dictionary, you will see that Ehara means on the contrary or sure enough. It can be used to negate a sentence and mean not, and it can be used to say yes indeed, which is like that's confusing. So, two things. Firstly, at the beginning of a sentence, ehara is a negation and is used to negate a sentence starting with he or ko. Ehara o iti hei hei, I am not a chicken. I'm not, I'm really not, it's a true story. And secondly, there is an expression, ehara, which means struth, or too blimmin' right, mate. So this is a key waha and an idiom that is a strong affirmation. Are you going to the party? Ehara, you bet your cotton socks I am. So there is no ambiguity about what either of these two mean. But ehara on its own is a little bit more ambiguous. In the middle of a sentence, it can be used to mean sure enough. I said that Rangi would be late, and ehara, sure enough, he was late. And ehara can mean surprise, surprise, or heavens above. For example, I tunu a Rangi a ehara he tino pai te kai. Rangi cooked and knocked me over with a feather, the food was good. Whew. And ehara can be used to either agree or disagree with a statement. Ka haere atu koe, ehara, are you going? Absolutely. Or maybe not. He tino pai te kai, ehara, is the food good? Indeed it is. Or maybe it's not. But here's a tricky one. You can use it to say no to a negative question. Kaore koe I te mawīwi, you're not sick, are you? Ehara, on the contrary, I am sick. That is, I want to disagree with your statement that I'm not sick and say that I'm not sick. That is, I am sick. Ehara. Oh boy. Well, I'm glad we got that one sorted out, eh?